Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, the last time that I filmed was before my vacation, so as you can tell, I probably look very tan. I am so excited to be filming with you guys again. I feel like I haven't been in front of the camera in forever. I missed you guys, and let's dive right in. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my vacation makeup. Now, this is the makeup that I did on our non-formal nights. This is just makeup that I wanted to use on vacation that is simple, quick, and easy. I didn't want to be doing full glam on vacation since it is vacation. I want to relax and just let my skin just kind of detox, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's just dive right in. I'm probably going to be doing more of a chit chat since I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever. So I still primed my face. I used the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. So vacation went amazing. I was basically gone for 10 days because of travel time as well. So I definitely missed home. I'm glad to be back in kind of a routine. School is very stressful. I had to do school during my vacation. It sucked, to say the least. I had to take 2 exams. But other than that, it went great. I'm going to be using the NARS Pore and Shine Primer. Vacation went good. It was a cruise. We went to Aruba, the Dominic, Grand Turk. Oh, and Carousel. Couldn't remember the 4th one. And yeah. And then I went back to Florida. And here I am. Now, I did do some filming, not filming, but like vlogging, I don't know. I did a little montage of every day, basically. Almost every day. And I'm going to be kind of making that video the next couple days, so I will probably have that be my next video, but no promises. So yeah, I'm excited to share that with you guys. Now, for my foundation, I use the It Cosmetics by Breakout. It's the full coverage. Now, this is a concealer, but that's why I like it. For oily and acne prone skin, which is basically me, other than the really acne, but I loved this for vacation. I found that it was just really simple and easy, and I've already done a review on this in my previous videos. I wanted to find something super light. I'm going to blend that out with the Japonesque 7. If you guys can't tell, I haven't filmed in a while. I'm using my Japonesque 705 brush. It is just a BB cream brush, and I am just brushing it out. This makeup look probably took me less than 5 minutes on vacation. It was super nice and easy. Instead of me having to do full glam, I can just spend more time relaxing, and then when we go out for supper, I can just do a quick little makeup. I did get freckles on my nose. That happens every time I get tan. I get freckles there. I do like it, but it makes my concealer on my nose a bit less. But, oh well. So I just go back in right after I do my full face, where I feel like it looks a little, where it looks a little bare and a bit more red. I try not to add too much because obviously the point of this makeup routine is to look a bit more natural and quick, so I try not to spend too much time trying to be full coverage, because I mean that's just not the point when I'm on vacation. I'm just gonna dive straight into my bronzer. I use the NARS Casino. I'm gonna be blending it out with a FARRAH 50F brush. I don't want any harsh lines or like contouring, if you want to say. I just want to be more bronzed. So I go right into my crease and just blend it out. You want to kind of stay more on top of your cheekbone and kind of where you would put blush, if that makes sense. And you just want to like blend it out all over. The reason I like this makeup routine is because it's just super laid back. I don't have to be super precise. I'm also bringing this just into my neck and my double chin. Just make sure everything is even. I'm also going to be doing my nose. I'll be using the FARRAH 50F brush. This is just the brush I use to contour my nose. And I just lightly go down. I don't want too much because I don't want it to look cakey. And then also just under my lip, just to kind of give my face definition. For blush, I use the NARS Deep Throat, and I'm going to use my stippler brush. It's the 40F FARRAH. And I just put it all on the apples of my cheeks and kind of up. And now when I'm tan, I also put it on my nose. I just like go over it maybe twice. And then just to make sure that is blended out, I go back with my 50F brush and just blend it in with my bronzer. And so that is basically it for the face. Like I said, I keep it really simple. I don't want to be overly makeuped up, if that makes sense. I forgot, I'm going to do my eyes though. I take my Velvet Luxe 322 It Cosmetics brush. This is just an all over eyeshadow brush. And then I just lightly go over my lid just to give my lid some color. I don't use any highlighter just because this blush kind of gives you like a natural glow, if you can see that. And I feel like when I put highlighter on my face, I look a bit more cakey. And it looks like I have makeup on. And like my goal right now is to not have makeup on. I'm going to be using the MAC lipstick. It is Creme Cup 203. And then I'm just going to dab that in with my finger. Dabbing it just makes it look a bit more natural instead of pink, since this is a very pink nude lip. Now my eyebrows. I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil in the shade Ebony. Now when I do my eyebrows for more of a natural look, I make sure that my mirror is pretty far away from me. I don't want my eyebrows to be super perfect. I want it to be more natural looking. I do my brows the same way I do them on a normal makeup day, except I'm a bit faster at it and a bit less precise. I also don't fill them in all of the way. I don't want them to be super dark, since obviously my natural hairs aren't that dark. Okay, so that's about it. Super quick, super easy. Okay, I think I did it. Did I do it? How's it look? Okay, so that is it for eyebrows. I'm gonna go over with my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This just makes sure they're lifted. I'm gonna set my face with my Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. Now, funny story, I realized that my mascara was almost gone when I got to the cities, but so we had some time to kill, so we went to the Mall of America, and so I had to go to an Ulta because I forgot I needed mascara. So I was looking at the Benefits mascara, and I found a new one, and I love it. I am obsessed. It literally makes my lashes long. Like, I can't even explain it. Way better than the last mascara I've been using. So I definitely recommend this one. It is the Benefit They're Real. So I love them. I'm really excited to show you guys what they look like after. This is what they look like for anything. I mean, you can't see them at all. They're just tiny. So I still curl them just with an eyelash curler. Okay. So I guess now I just put it on. Not much to it. And it has like a little end on it. Like a little round end. And I love that for like the places that I have trouble getting to without getting mascara on my face. And it really helps for like the inner corner of your eyelashes. So that is the difference. I think it just totally helps. Okay, so that is the mascara on. I just think it looks so good. It's nice to be able to just wear mascara instead of having to always do false lashes. Yeah. I'm glad I found a good mascara that looks good with my baby lashes. This is it. This is the final look. I feel like I'm going to be using this makeup routine a lot in the summer. And especially if I do go on any warm vacations, it's just perfect. It's simple, easy, and it still looks really natural and bronzed. So yeah, I'll zoom you in. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun makeup routine, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And I will see you beautiful people in the next video.